Good morning. Welcome to my channel TVRA123. In this session, we are going to discuss a Codevita problem. Yes. The problem name is path through graph. A problem statement is given. You are given two natural numbers. Imagine these natural numbers as nodes of a graph. On this graph, number is connected to its greatest factor other than itself. You have to find the shortest path between them and print the number of edges on that path. Quite confusing. So sometimes it is better not reading problem statement. Let us straight away go to the test cases. Inputs are 2 and 4. But here in the output, you got 4 first and 2 next. So what should be done? When first number is less than second number, swap. Now, 4 and 2 are given, output is 1. Output is 1. When second number is greatest factor of first number, output is 1. What is the greatest factor of 4 other than 4? 2. The factors of 4 are 4, 2, 1. The greatest factor of or largest factor of 4 other than itself is 2. So when second number is largest factor of first number other than this, then output is 1. When both are same, output is 0. You take this case, 18 and 19. 18 and 19. Swap them. First 19 and 18. Get the factors of 19. 19 and 1. Get the factors of 18. For 18, largest is 9. For 9, largest is 3. Largest is 3. For 3, largest is 1. If a factor is common to both the numbers, consider it only once. Now you get 19 and 1 here. 18, 9, and 3 here. So what are total numbers? 5. What is the answer? Answer is 4. Next. When both are same, what is the answer? 0. Okay. So I think you got the point. Now, let us solve it. Write a routine to find out largest factor. When a number is given. So start from 2 while n divided by 2 I is less than or equal to this. So you try up to n by 2. If n modulus I equal to 0, then the largest factor is n mod I. The largest factor is n by I. Okay. So try. If that is not the case, try with other I. If you don't get anything, then 1 is a factor. This is logic for largest factor. How many numbers are given? N1 and N2 are given. Okay. Oh, you can read them from outside. Suppose you read them separately. If you read them together, then you need to split. Okay. Now, as I told you earlier, if n1 is less than n2, swap. N1 is replaced by N2 and N2 is replaced by N1. Now, get a list add n1 and n2 to it. Now, get the factors of n1. How to get factors of n1? Get factors of n1. Say while this n1 is greater than 1, find out largest factor. From the routine, largest factor, pass n1 to this. Okay. Now to the list. So this is a factor. To the list, you append this factor. Before doing all these things, I should do one more thing. If n1 equal to n2, if n1 equal to n2, print 0. Okay. Else if n2 is largest, now that after let us do it first. Let us do the swapping job first. Okay. Now, if n2 is largest factor of n1, so print 1. Okay. Otherwise, create a list, add n1 and n2 to it, while n1 is greater than 0, get all its factors, greater than 1, get all its factors. How to get factors? Let us call factor. The name of the routine, largest factor. Okay. Now, so append this factor to the list. Next time, your n1 is this factor. 18 becomes 9, 9 becomes 3, and so on. Okay. Now, similarly, while n2 is greater than 1, find out factor. I just copy paste and replace n1 with n2. Replace n1 with n2. Now, to eliminate common factors, if this factor is not in the list, then only append this factor to list to remove common factors, to consider common factors only once. And then your n2 will be factor. Now, for 19, the factors are 19 and 1. For 18, we have 9, 3, 1. First, you added 19 and 18 to this 1, to this 9, to this 3, and 1 will not be added because 1 is already there. this is size of the, this is the list. What is size of the list? 5. And what is the answer expected? What is the answer expected? 4. So what do you print? What do you print? You print length of the list minus 1. Perfect. Let us run it. First are 9 and 9. 0. Let us run it one more time. This time let us do 2 and 4. They get swapped, and 2 is the largest factor of 4. You get 1. Perfect. Next, 18 and 19, they get swapped. Some spelling mistake somewhere. Fact quarter. Okay. So this time 18 and 19, they get swapped. Okay. Let us take one more input. $100 and 28. For 100, largest factor is 10. For 100, largest factor is 10. For 10, 5. For 5, 1. For 28, largest factor is 14. For 14, 7. For 7, 1. Total factors are 100, 10, 5, 1, 28, 14, and 17. Okay, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 1. Answer should be 6. Why 7? 1 for 100. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. 100 and 28. For 150. For 50, 25. For 25, 5. For 5, 1. For 150. For 50, 25. For 25, 5. For 28, 14. For 14, 7. For 7, 1. But this will not be taken. So what are the factors? 100, 50, 25, 5, 1, 28, 14, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So length is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. Is this clear? Yes. To reduce number of iterations, we can change the logic. Here, instead of n by 2, we can take integer value of square root of n. You explore this. To get square root, you must import math. Instead of importing everything, let us import only square root. Okay. Now with less number of iterations, you get the answer. Say 100, or let us take 28 first, and then 100. Okay. this is how you solve the problems of coding competitions. Don't worry about the problem statement. If you don't understand it, leave it. Come to test cases. 2 and 4. 4 appeared first, swap. For 4 and 2, output is 1. That is, if 2 is the largest factor of 4, if second number is largest factor of first number, return 1. Both are same, return 0. Otherwise, you get factors of 18, factors of 19. Common factors are considered only 1. Put everything in the list and length of list minus 1. I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Bye.